Hello. In the previous example, we looked at a very simple problem of a one equation, one variable problem. Let's now look at a slightly more complicated problem where you have a system of two equations and two variables. You can think of a standard economic application as the demand supply problem. So suppose 2x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus 2y is equal to 0 forms the system of two equations in two variables x and y. I leave it to you to show that x is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the answer. So like before, we'll construct two tables with a bunch of parameter values a, b and c for equation 1 and d, e and f for equation 2, where c and f would correspond to the RHS for equations 1 and 2 respectively. We choose initial values for x and y, and we calculate equation 1 as ax plus by and equation 2 as dx plus ey. The idea of using the solver here is that we would use one of the equations as the objective and the other as the constraint. So without loss of generality, let's choose equation 1 as the objective and equation 2 as the constraint. As an exercise, you can consider equation 2 as the objective and equation 1 as the constraint, and you should be getting the same answer. So let's click on solver. Let's set the objective as equation 1 such that it obtains the value of 1 by changing cells x and y subject to the constraint equation 2 is equal to 0. So let's click on OK. So now that appears here. Let's uncheck this option and let's click on solve, and don't forget to choose simplex LP as the method of solving. So click on solve. Let's keep the original solution, the solver solution. Let's click on OK. So now you observe that x and y take these values, and these are approximately close to x equal to 2 by 3 and y equal to 1 by 3. So in the next video, we will look at a more complicated problem which involves a maximization problem. Thank you.